Morning, everybody. I hope all of my kindergarten peeps are doing good. It's Miss Street, and I hope you guys had a wonderful, long weekend. I'm trying this new live publisher, and I'm not sure how long it recorded just then. But hey, guys, it's Miss Street. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. I know last night Miss Street had a really good sleep. And it's been a long time since I've had a really good sleep. Yes.
I didn't think it's on there.
What?
I got shot. I was there till you got her gun wall.
No, it's okay. Jesse's outside listening for turkeys. Okay, so anyway, I had a really good sleep last night. Don't know if you heard me say that. And yeah, I feel really good this morning. So kindergarten, we're still going to work within 10. Before we start, though, we're going to do our subitizing within 5. And here we go. I hope you're ready. I got us some good music this morning. One, good. Here we go. Four, good. That's 4 too? How did you see it like that? So you can see 4 in different ways? True story. You see, 3 and 1. It's 4. That's 4 another way. I'm telling you guys, you're going to be ready for first grade before this coronavirus is over with, for sure. What'd you see there? Don't say nothing. There's always something. 0. That's right. Okay, guys. So last week we worked really hard within 10, and we're going to continue that work, except this time we're going to be going a little bit further. So we're going to be looking at our parts equal total for sure. That's mostly what this standard is all about. So in kindergarten, this standard, you are finding the number that makes 10 when you're already given a number. And this comes in the form of like word problems. So we want to be sure, Ms. Street wants to be sure to give you lots of word problems. And parents and teachers, boys and girls, you need to do this a lot. Like, you need to do this a lot. So, and our subitizing activities really helps with that too. So, I want to look, we did look at our standard. Now let's look at quantity and magnitude, because anytime Ms. Street teaches a math lesson, I want to be sure and look at quantity and magnitude. Quantity is the actual amount of something. Magnitude is the relative size as compared to something else. So if you're watching me here live, Miss Street can't see who's watching. Like I said, this is new, so Miss Street's going to have to study this Facebook Live publisher business. But that's okay. I can study. I'm a quick learner. I still have to learn too. So I'm going to show you guys with multiple ways like I've been doing. And I also want you guys to know that in your packets that came home the second go round, you should have received what's called the number line game. I have modeled this in first grade standards, but today I'm going to model it for kindergarten because I think your teacher sent this home with you. But if you don't have it or you're not sure, I'm going to show you how Miss Street just made her own game to play within 10. And it's really, really, really important for you kindergartners. All you little people need to be doing this, okay? So here we go. Do the hokey pokey. Turn my computer around because that's what it's all about. Boom. Okay, so I hope you can see. So here I have all the different ways that Miss Street has used or likes to use to make tins for you guys, or to model the lessons and the different ways you can do things. So here we just have a piece of paper, because boys and girls, you can just draw. True story, you can just draw. That works too, because your standard talks about that you can do this with numbers, with words, or with pictures. Okay? We have the vertical number line game, and parents, I'm going to model that for you. In kiddos in just a minute. Like I said, I've modeled it in first grade. I don't have anybody here to play it with me because Zeb is off turkey hunting, but I'm going to play it by myself, and I'm okay with that. If you don't have anybody to play with at home, you can play it by yourself too. Okay, I'm going to show you how. We have our super duper wonderful, excellent macho number bonds that help us also think about what our parts are and our total. We have our super duper tens frame, which this really helps with, connects to our Subitizing work. And then we have our parts equal total model. And I want to show you, parents, kindergartners are not really expected to do this or to even draw this, but Miss Street shows it to you because it connects to our word problems. And we need to help our kiddos be thinking, what kind of problem is this? Is it a parts equal total? Is it a compare? Or is it repeated equal addition? And so today, I already told you, these are all parts equal total, meaning we have the total. We know our total is 10. Oh, it's dance break time. Okay. We know we have a total of 10, and then I'm going to give you another number. So I'm going to give you a part. So we have to figure out what is the missing part. Okay? Are you ready, Freddie? Let's go. So let's say that this is an example out of our teaching standards. And it is what it is. We're going to go with it. So I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to say Sadie has 6 flowers. Okay? Sadie has 6 flowers. How many more flowers does she need to have 10 flowers? You ready? How do you want to do this first? Tens frame? You got it. Okay. So we said Sadie has 6 flowers. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I'm looking at is the missing part. So you see my tens frame has missing parts, don't you? And so I can also see on my tens frame that 6 is going to be more than what I'm missing. Okay? So here we go. I'm going to put 6 here. And so with my parts equal total, I can make that a little bit bigger and make sure that you guys can see that 6 is greater than 2 because we worked on that with comparing our numbers. So we can see if we can subitize really good. Let's see if I can do my marker. How many more flowers does Sadie need to pick to get 10? What do you see? You said 4? Let's see. The street's going to get another color to show the missing part. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is our missing part. So we could say Sadie needs to pick 4 more flowers to get to 10 flowers. So our parts equal total model, like I said, kindergarten parents, your kiddos don't really have to do this. Miss Street shows it just because it helps us with our word problems. And we know that we're working on parts equal total word problems. So this tells me that 6 and 4 has the same value as 10. So in my number bond here, I knew that I had 6. I figured out that I needed 4 more. Let's show that with a drawing, okay? Now, Sadie, how would you show this if you were drawing? What would you do? You would draw 10 flowers? Okay. All right, 10 flowers. So Miss Street's just going to draw 10 circles. And I'm using pink because I think that's Sadie's favorite color. I'm not sure. I'm just thinking Sadie. That's it. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I know that Sadie has 6 flowers, okay? So if I took away, listen to me. If I took away 6 of the flowers, even though I'm adding, I'm doing that on purpose. Let me use purple, Sadie, because I think you really like purple too. Then I'm going to take away 6 flowers. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many more flowers does Sadie need to pick to get to 10? 4. Awesome. So we're going to do one more, and then Miss Street's going to show you the number line game. Okay? So, and here we could put a 4 in our number bond, but I think you got it. Miss Street's just using good old sandwich bags. Okay, so I'm going to take these. Here's our next problem. Are you ready? How many of you like juice boxes? Raise your hand if you like juice. I know. I'm raising mine too. I like juice boxes. A full case of juice boxes has 10 boxes. 10 boxes. There are only 6 boxes in this case. How many juice boxes are missing? How do you want to do this first, Bryce? Tens frame. Miss Street's all about some tens frame. I like it. Okay, so we're going to go here. This is our whole juice box. Okay, it has 10 juices. So we know that there are only 6 boxes. Bryce, did you drink the boxes that were missing? Not sure. Here we go. 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Okay, so I know I have 6 boxes and 6 boxes. So I'm sitting here with a box of juice, and there's only 6. Some are missing. Can you see on the tens frame? Use your subitizing skills. How many are missing? What do you think? You want me to use my tens frame to fill in to see? Okay. So we could say 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut the front door. We just did this with Sadie's flowers. Way to go. Okay. So we have 6 juice boxes, and we know that 4 are missing. We can put our 4 here on our number line, and this lets us know that 6 and 4 have the same value as 10. I can also draw this, right? I can say 1 juice box, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 juice boxes. Okay, there's only 6 left. So I'm trying to find how many are missing. What if I did this? There's 1 box left, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes, 5 boxes, 6 boxes. How many boxes are gone? Mystery. There are 4. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So Miss Street did not get to the vertical number line game today, but I can bet your bottom dollar tomorrow I will, for sure. Guys, we're going to work on this a lot, so get ready to do it with Miss Street, because we are really going to work within 10, so to get you guys ready for first grade, because it's all about the base 10. I love you guys. Thanks for joining me today. Listen, I've got a great surprise coming up for first grade. It's my dear good friend Tracy Ramsey, who is a first and second grade combination teacher at Glenwood. She's also taught at West Marion Elementary for a long, long time. And she's coming to you live with first grade math, picking up where Miss Street left off. Partitioning some circles and telling time, I think. So I can't wait to watch with you, to watch Miss Ramsey and learn from her. I hope you guys have a great day. I will be back at 12, I think, for third grade. And don't forget second grade, Miss Carter and Miss Taylor from Glenwood. And I hope you enjoy. I'll be watching along with you. Hope you guys have a great day.